There's a market sell-off right from the start. I want to bring in market watcher Eddie Ghabour, who is a frequent guest on this program. Eddie, welcome back.
Thank you for having me.
Quite a day to have me on the show, isn't it?
Yes,
Right.
it is.
Now, in the past, you've said you're fairly bullish. You thought that stocks will be going up through the year. Are you pulling back now? Are you saying something different?
I'm absolutely becoming a little bit more cautious as we head into 2019.
What does that mean? What does that mean, a bit more cautious?
That's more cautious is looking more at some defensive stocks and not being too overweight your high-risk stocks that have a lot of volatility.
Would you sell some of them?
I wouldn't sell unless you get a bounce back and you were too overweight, because I think right now the key in balancing in this market is risk management. That's the key to the viewers here, is making sure you have a great risk management strategy.
What's a risk management strategy?
If you're too overweight high beta, then yes, you need...
I don't understand.
All right. If you're taking too much risk right now, you have the high-playing stocks, the chips that are moving, having a lot of volatility right now. You need to take some and be more defensive, in my opinion, on the equity side.
Should I sell my Microsoft? I'm way overweight, if you want to use that expression, and I've made a ton of money. Should I sell some?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
You don't know if you like that answer,
welcome back,
do you?
Eddie. Welcome back. Okay. If you want to play defense in the stock market, what do you buy today?
So sectors that I like right now, I do like the financials. The financials have been beaten up, okay? And so I'm a contrarian by nature. So I would dollar cost average into some of your big banks. Bank of America, Citigroup, these types of banks that now that we don't have a flat yield curve anymore, they should have some good profit margins as we move forward.
Okay.
I don't think rates are going to spike as high as many people fear. One of the silver linings in all this volatility and some of the spillover of China is I would not be surprised if the Fed comes out in December and takes a little bit more cautious stance heading into 2019. Okay. That's a big concern for the market right now, is how high is the Fed going to go and how fast?
Okay.
If they say they're going to slow down, that's a bullish thing for the equity markets.
Stay right there. Got more for you later. But the bottom line is you are much more cautious today than you have been in the past.
Yes.
Got it.